God, what has my life become? Yo, dude, are you okay? I can't do this anymore! Well, I can help you find your friend for you. Really?
Yes, I do, but I gotta call someone first.
Hey Doodledorf, I have this friend and he's really sad. He needs to find his friend that's missing, so can you help me, please? I mean us.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah, you found him. Okay, he's gonna be coming to 3, 2, 1, and there he is. Come on, guys, get in the car. Okay. Cruising on the main street. I am the Tooth Fairy. I will grant you 1,000,000 wishes. Hello everyone, welcome to this elimination. Okay, let me just say one thing. What the fuck is up with containers going missing, bro? I'm gonna crash out, you know what? Here are the replacements for Circle, Parallelogram, and Columbus. Okay, let's do the elimination now. We got 9 votes. And 3 of those votes were directed to me, which was not an option, you idiots. But whatever. Circle, Ringy, and Parallelogram got 0 votes. They're so lucky. And Blue Guy and Under Chica got 1 vote. And Sam? You eliminated with 3 friggin' votes, y'all. Rest in peace. No, I'm eliminated. This is all my fault. Okay, guys, it's time for your 6th challenge. Your 6th challenge is get rid of this fucking grid. Get a annoying. You guys, I found a treasure map to the artifact that removes the wither. So, let's go! Yay! Good lord, how am I supposed to do this? Rain, go away, come again another. How am I supposed to do this? Circle, yeah, we're gonna find you. We're gonna help you out and save your life. Oh, Circle, we're gonna stop him. We're gonna end his plans. You'll be alright. And if we don't find you, you'll probably die. And that would be bad, cause I would much cry. I'd drown in my tears and eat my own ears and face all my fears, a griefless years. Circle, we're gonna find you. We're gonna help you out and save your life. Oh, Circle, we're gonna stop him. We're gonna end his plan. You'll be alright. At this point, we'll never find the artifact. Hey, what's that? Okay, Circle, let's get digging. The ingredients are probably underground. Yay, we found the artifact. Let's go home. Wait, but wouldn't that mean we would have to travel all the way back? Central. It's been 5 fucking days. Where the hell are my contestants? I saw 2 of them, like, go somewhere. I don't know. Holy skibbity toilet, what the fuck happened to you?
Long story short, we got the artifact that removes rain or something.
Okay, but what the hell happened to you, Circle? Oh yeah, we had to fuse off of Circle. But at least we got the artifact. You have freed my soul. I will remove this precipitation for 1 million years. I'm not sure what that really was, but since Parallelogram got the artifact and removed the rain, he's safe. And you have flatmates! Zero! Zero to be eliminated! Voting ends Okay guys, I'm done using the bathroom. Sweet. I'm also done with, refilling the car with gasoline. Okay, let's go. I'm hungry! Yeah, me too. Can we get McDonald's? Dude, I genuinely doubt there's gonna be a McDonald's in the middle of the... Oh, hey, look! Okay, guys. What do you want to order? I don't know. Can you choose for us, please? Okay, I guess. Hello, what would you like to order? 55 burgers, 55 fries, 55 tacos, 55 pies, 55 cokes, 100 tater tots, 100 pizza, 100 tenders, 100 meatballs, 100 coffees, 55 wings, 55 shakes, 55 pancakes, 55 pastas, and 155 taters. Okay, pull up to the window. Hey guys, you wanna see something funny? No doors,
What?
no
What are you
problem.
doing? What are you doing?
Hey, 1738. Hey, I'm right here with some below. Sit your pretty ass down.
Credits to Ben Selly for the Bug Bear We're Gonna Find You song. I love